Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders. Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders. Whoops! Excuse me.
That was a big burp, Blippi.
I wonder, why do people burp?
Oh, I can tell you, but it's more fun to show you. Off to the nearest mouth.
All right, I'm gonna need frog legs.
Frog legs confirmed.
Shrinking down. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Open wide! Whee! This is perfect! He's chewing way too fast! Look at all the air he's swallowing!
Whoa! Well, that was fun. D.BO, you can open your eyes now. I think it's over.
Here we go again!
Yeah! Whoa! I'm gonna need monkey arms.
Monkey arms confirmed.
Whoa! 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 What's that?
It's called the esophagus. We all have them. It's a long tube that connects the throat to the stomach.
Woo! Esophagus. That's a fun word. E-soph-a-gus. Whoa! He's coughing up a storm.
Oh, yeah! These are ideal conditions for a big old burp. Boobs away!
Oh, no!
Hang on to your seats, everybody!
Whoa! So cool!
Careful! The bubble's delicate and could explode at any moment. Just kidding! Cannonball!
Whee! Oh, yeah!
The bubble is all the extra air that this guy swallowed. It's like a trampoline.
Whoa!
Uh-oh, too much bouncing. It's gonna blow!
Whoa! The air bubble is rising up the esophagus and toward the mouth. Whoa!
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah! Experiment complete.
That was so fun! And I got the answer to my question. Why do people burp? People burp when they swallow too much air and it builds up inside the esophagus. The body gets rid of the air by burping. Upload answer, D.BO.
I think it's time to dance! Boom, cha-cha, boom, cha-cha, boom!
Let's boom cha-cha with Boom.
Boom, cha-cha, boom, cha-cha, boom!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! Look! A bird flying at night! Huh, it's a bat! I wonder, how do bats fly in the dark? Good idea, D.BO. Let's take flight in the night. I'm going to need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Whoa! Whose lights are those?
Hey, it's me, Blippi. I put my bright headlights on to find you.
Oh, hey, Blippi. I'm Matt the Bat. I was just heading out to fly my favourite flying course. You want to join me?
Sure. I was wondering how bats fly in the dark.
I can show you. But one thing, Blippi, no headlights.
Got it.
Let's go.
Whoa! It's so dark.
Twigs, branch, look out!
Whoa!
Blippi, didn't you hear that tree?
No, I didn't. Wait, did you say hear the tree?
Yeah, I can hear everything in my way. Heads up, rocks!
Whoa! How do you do that?
Bats have a special skill called echolocation. I make sounds and they bounce off objects and echo, so I can tell where the objects are and how far away I am from them.
Really, D.BO? You have echolocation too? Because you're a robot dog? Well, let's use it.
Whoa! Let's play!
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Yeah, whee! Nice flying, guys.
Thanks! And I have the answer to my question. How do bats fly in the dark? Echolocation! Bats make high-pitched sounds that bounce off objects and echo, so they can safely hear where they're at in the dark. Upload answer, D.BO.
Oh, look, it's bedtime. Fun flying with you, Blippi and D.BO.
You sleep upside down? Whoa! Bats are amazing! Bye, Matt the Bat!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders! Okay, Babble. I spy with my little eye something that starts with J.
Plenty of sea creatures start with J. Jackfish, jelly-nosed fish, even jewelfish. Not now, Tabs. I'm looking for a J-fish. Oh, it's jellyfish. Okay, Tabs, your turn. I spy a dolphin. Listen. She's trying to communicate with us.
I wonder, how do dolphins communicate?
Follow, pursue, chase.
Here we come, little dolphin.
Ooh.
Whoa! It's so murky.
It's murky and hard to see because of all the sand floating in the water.
Whoa! Look out!
Wow!
Uh-oh!
Hey there, Blippi.
Oh, hey, Larry. This is Babble and Tabs. Sorry we bonked into you.
That's all right. It's all this sand floating around. Well, I'm off to get my teeth cleaned. See you later.
Bye-bye!
Woo!
How can the dolphins see in this murky water?
Think, think, think. Oh, I know. The dolphin is using echolocation.
Echo what?
Echolocation. It's how some animals like dolphins and bats see objects by reflecting sound off them.
Oh, yeah! I'm gonna need echolocation.
Echolocation confirmed.
Incredible! Amazing! Awesome! We should try making clicks like the dolphin. Look! The sound waves from the clicks are bouncing off the objects and coming back to us with information about how far and how big the objects are.
Hey! There's the dolphin! We found her! Wait! Come back! I didn't get to say hello!
That's it! The dolphin is using a signature whistle to tell you her name. Try mimicking her signature whistle to call her back.
All right! She understood me! Hey! It's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs and Babble.
I think she wants to know your signature whistle so she can say your name in her language.
How about... Wow! What an amazing underwater adventure! And I got the answer to my question. How do dolphins communicate? Dolphins communicate with their signature whistles and chirps. And they can also use clicks to navigate and tell what's ahead. Upload answer tabs.
Yes, precisely. Correct.
Woohoo!